back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3 by 3. So let's get started. So let's just move it there. And then we'll just make this like that. Go like that. And then like now do 2 layers like this, and now we can do it like this. Just move this. Go. Okay. Now we put like this, and then we do it like this. Take out one, then like this one there, and then we just move this. That's the first part. So let's do the second part. So this is only red, white. So we'll move it to like this. And then reach the bottom here. So now we're going with this. Okay, so it's already this, so we turn it. When we do this one, it's not. So we turn it this 2 times. Now it is. That's the way. Okay, now we do this. Okay, now we do the 3rd layer. So we move this here, and then we do upside down. Okay, now this is, okay, now we just move like this, turns, and then we do upside down. This is solved. Now we do, okay. Now we do all upside down, upside down. Okay, now we choose a color that's without green. I mean yellow. Okay, so I choose like this burning blue. I mean red and green. So we move it this thing here, and then move it again. Up, R, U, R prime, wait, up, upside down, then we move this back, and then we do this, upside down. Now that's solved, we do this. So this is the only thing we do. So we do this here. Upside down, move it back, and now we do this. Now we just put blue and orange here and do upside down, and then move it back and do upside down. Okay. Then we do this. So green, orange. So we move it here, turn it upside down, and move it back. Now do upside down. Everything's solved. Now we do the plus up on the yellow. So we do a plus on the yellow. So it's like this. So we need to do 2 layers like this. Okay, now it's a plus. Now we select the lines. This and this is solved. Do R, U, R prime, U, R, U, U2, and R prime. Then we move it. This is solved. Everything is solved, so we do upside down. So we do the yellow is on the bottom and the white is on the top. Okay, now we do R, U, R prime, U prime. It's still not solved, so R, U, R prime, U prime. Just keep on doing it. Okay, now it's solved. Just turn it and then do the same. Okay, now we move it again, so these are solved. Then we do this. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now the last one. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 Solved.